Welcome back to the section where we download the Oracle database. Although this part is not necessary, but for best learning experience, you should have an Oracle database instance installed on your PC, so you can follow along with the examples explained in this course. The version that is going to be used in this course is going to be Express Edition 18C, which is completely free. You can also use the older version of Express Edition, like 11G, or the full versions of Oracle database, like 19C, for example, or even the newer ones. All of the parts that are explained in this course work completely normal in the free Express Edition version. So only difference between the Express Edition and the full version is that you can use it commercially if you have it downloaded, if you're not paying for it, and you don't have support for it. So if you have already installed full version of Oracle database on your PC, you're good to go. Only prerequisite to download the Oracle database from the official site is that you have to have an Oracle account, which is again completely free. So let's jump straight ahead to the part where we download the Oracle database. As mentioned, if you don't have an Oracle account, you have to create it. Again, this is completely free. So we go to the Oracle site, which is at oracle.com. And under the view accounts, we're going to create an account. I've already logged in into my account, so I'm good to go to download the Oracle database. Where we go is go to the products, under the software, the Oracle database. So the first thing that is offered to us is to download the latest full version of Oracle databases, but we don't need that. You can download it, but again, you won't have support until you pay for it and you can use it. You cannot use it commercially. The Express Edition version is little hidden under the other database products and under the Database Express Edition. There we go. So as we can see, the big download button, and accordingly, we choose if you have Linux or Windows environment, we download that database. We accept the license agreement. You can read it, of course, and download it. And that's it. As Oracle frequently changes how the site looks like, I do encourage you to go to Google and just go to search the download of Express Edition. It doesn't have to be a LSPNG, and you're gonna get the link directly where you can download the Oracle Express Edition. Thank you for following this section, and see you in the next one where we're gonna actually install the Oracle database on your PC.